In this video, we'll talk about doing an open account payment. There's several ways to get to the open account payment screen. You can go under Modules, Daily Posting, and do OA Payment, or you can use the keyboard and do Control O. Ideally, what we recommend is going through point of sale. You can either click the new point of sale transaction or easily hit the F5 key on your keyboard, and that comes up with the customer pick list. So as you see here, our customer pick list, we can sort by the customer last name, account number, phone number, just by clicking the field header for that area. On the far right, there's an O and an R column. The O, if there's an asterisk in there, means the customer has an outstanding open invoice, be it a layaway or charge sale or something, short-term rental. The R is if the customer has an outstanding long-term rental, if there's an asterisk in there. So to simply look for our customer, I'm looking for Heim. It goes to the first account it finds as I type. I will select that customer. Takes us right into point of sale, and we do see the outstanding open accounts, which he has two, a layaway and charge sale. So again, here in the point of sale, the money stack here is our OA payment. We can either click that or again use the keyboard and do Control O, and that pulls up the customer payment screen. The first field that your cursor sits in is the disperse amount, and this is the amount that they're going to give you. If you skip this field and directly click on one of the invoices down below, it automatically assumes you're paying that invoice in full. So then if you inadvertently then type in that they only want to pay $100, you see we have a negative amount left. So if they're giving you an amount right off the bat, you want to start in that disperse field. So let's say they are paying $100 and they want to apply 50 to each invoice. So I can check the first invoice that I'm going to pay, and you see the pay amount defaults to the total disperse amount because it does not meet the entire balance. So I can change this pay amount to be 50, and then I have 50 remaining up above, and I will check off the other invoice, and it automatically applies that remaining again. If there was a third invoice and we wanted to break that down by 25 and 25, we could do so also. From here, you notice there is no save button in point of sale because that's the save button at the top here. And F12 is the easiest way. So we hit save, and I have the touchscreen payment window here. So we just tell the system how they are paying, and we can do multiple ways. So maybe they gave us $50 in cash. I can either type in $50 in the pay amount and hit the cash button, or just click $50 button here. And then let's say the remaining is by check, and so they gave me a check number of 2525, and I can press check. So now my remaining payment amount is 0. I can post this payment and print that out. Just go on the screen. You'll see a large 8.5 by 11 invoice printed that shows what invoices they have paid, how the payments were dispersed, and how the money was collected. Thank you.